Hi everyone, we've just announced our 2026 planner lineup. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Magnet Weekly Essential layout and show you how to use it. The Essential layout comes with one weekly page followed by one blank grid page, so your entire week is on one full spread. On the weekly page, you get a column on the left for your weekly focus, your grocery list, or even a meal plan list. This is perfect for checking in your weekly plans, such as appointments, meetings, dates, anything that's pre-arranged and time sensitive. Moving over to the right-hand side, you'll see the blank grid page, and this is where the fun really begins. For me, I love using this section as a detailed meal plan. I usually extend the day boxes over just to keep everything lined up. And then with the space that's left, I list out my weekly must-dos, and I like to split them into work and life. It just helped me see things more clearly. Once that's all set, my goal for the week is simple. Just keep checking things off that list. Another way I like to use the blank grid page is to go day by day. So on Monday, I'll only have my to-dos and notes for Monday, leaving the rest of the page blank. And then on Tuesday, I'll pick up right where I left off, writing only what's needed for Tuesday, and so on. Some days I skip entirely, maybe I'm just out and about or just not in the mood to plan. Other days I might be really busy and I'll fill up half a page with scribbles, to-dos, reminders, like drinking water, email back Lisa, even occasional doodle or quote that I heard that day. Key is, this planning style lets me stay present. It meets me where I am. I'm not worrying about the rest of the week. I just focus on finishing today's to-dos. And honestly, that's the best feeling. The Weekly Essential Planner is a compact efficiency booster that helps you stay on top of your week. It gives you a clear snapshot of everything you need all right in front of you.